Hi, this is Shubhajit from Digit and we have a new box for you. You're looking at the box containing the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro mechanical gaming keyboard from Kingston. Now let's not waste any time and take a peek. As you can see, this one is black with red backlighting, and between that and the matte black finish, this mechanical keyboard looks quite classy. You will notice that this is a 10 keyless keyboard, which means that the number pad is not a part of this particular model. It is a design choice used to save space on the desk. Once you lift the keyboard, you will obviously feel the weight of it. Although it feels like plastic on the outside, and that's because it is plastic, it has a steel frame on the inside and hence the weight. The steel frame makes this keyboard dense and sturdy. For a keyboard this small, it looks and feels really impressive. You will also notice the mechanical keys. These keys have LED lights, they turn on once connected, and also their brightness can be controlled from the keyboard itself. But unfortunately, this is the only color available for this model. If you try typing, you will be able to feel the spring action. A lot of gamers prefer this over a standard keyboard, and if you're one of them, then definitely get this keyboard. Underneath are 4 rubber feet and 2 clips to elevate the keyboard for you to adjust your typing or gaming experience. The smaller compartment comes with a braided detachable mini USB cable. Yes, mini USB. But that's not a big deal because the other end of the cable has 2 standard USB jacks, one for charging and the other for typing. Now this could be a bummer for 2 reasons. Number 1, mini USB ports are almost completely phased out, and number 2, this will occupy 2 USB ports on your desktop or whichever device that you plan to connect this to. However, the cable is almost a meter long. This will allow you to find the right distance between you and the monitor. So there you have it. That was a quick look at what you can find in the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro mechanical gaming keyboard box. Thanks for watching.